Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll show you on how you can remove Crosshair in FiveM. This is Guide to Everything, let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is to head over to your debug console. Basically, in most cases, it's going to be the tilde key on your keyboard right below your escape button. Now, after pressing that button, your debug console will open up. Now, in most cases, it will then show up right here. But the only thing that you need to do inside this page is to simply type profile underscore reticule size space and -10. Hit on the enter button, and from there your crosshair will then appear on your FiveM. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.